Hey, what's up, assemblers? I'm recording this on a Friday, so if you are watching this on a Friday, I hope you are having a great one and off to the weekend. I wanted to shout out a quick update that Assembly had. We're calling it the Simplified Share Sheet. Basically, we just totally simplified the way you can add new people into a flow and make it more shareable and just easier to set up. So I'll show a few quick changes and updates. I'll just go in and find a random template from the template library. Okay, so I've created an initiative or a new flow. Now I want to share and include people inside of it. Again, by default, when you create a new flow, no one knows it exists. No one has been added. This is a blank slate at the moment. Then what you can do here is hit at the top right and hit share. What you would have seen previously, we're now calling the advanced rules, which gives you probably more control over who is involved in a flow, but it's just a little more complicated. So we're going to keep that, call that advanced settings, but also allow you to switch back and go to the simple rules. So this is very similar to the way if you created, say, a Google Sheet or a Google Doc, or the same thing with Office 365. You create that sort of file, and then you want to share and include people. So what we can do here is add specific people to it by just typing in their name. We can also set specific rules, maybe by department or even by channels in another software, like maybe Slack. From there, you can set and give each person the ability to only post, only view posts, do both, or exclude and remove them from the flow. Keep in mind, someone that can only post will only be able to submit information into that flow. Someone that can only view will only see the posts that have been submitted and will not be able to submit one themselves. Someone that can do both, just like recognition, I can do both. I can give recognition. I can also see the posts that have been submitted. That would be a post and view option. We just give you, again, total control here. Also, another piece, you can hit preview, and that will show you all the people that have been included. And you can even do it by perm. I want to see all the people that can do both, the people that can only post, and the people that can view. So again, hopefully this is a much more familiar setup for people, and we wanted to make it, again, easier to share. If you have any notes, please shoot us a message. Thanks so much. Have a great Friday.